welcome back. We're gonna make some cream cheese cookies. Cinnamon cream cheese cookies. My husband found this and wanted to give it a try. I only set out 1 stick instead of 2, so I had to melt that a little, and it hopefully didn't make too much of a mess, but a mess. We've got a cup of butter, a block of cream cheese going in, full softened. We're gonna give these a whip, then add in powdered sugar, I believe. If I could get this cream cheese open. Y'all, we're gonna give this a whip. Alright, I've got this butter and cream cheese whipped up and wiped on the sides. I need to slowly add in 3 cups of powdered sugar. This is a third. I've got 1 cup of powdered sugar blended in there. We're gonna add 1/3 more. Alright, y'all, I've got a mess happening in my kitchen here. Finished off this powdered sugar, and I've got the last third in here to finish off the 3 cups. Mix it in. Beautiful. It's really soft and silky. Look at that. Beautiful. We're gonna add in 2 eggs. 1, 2. A little bit of vanilla left in here. We'll add that. I need a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. We're gonna mix this in while I try to find more vanilla. Alright, y'all, after I added my 2 eggs and some vanilla, I mixed it up and I added in a teaspoon of baking powder and mixed that in. I'm gonna add a little bit more vanilla. I found it. Can't have too much of that. I need to add in a pinch of salt, so 2 pinches, whatever that means. And we'll mix this one in, maybe just by hand. Beautiful. Now I need to add in 3½ cups of flour, slowly it says. Let's do it. I might need to refill my flour after this. 1 cup, we'll slowly add this in. 3½, here we go. That mixer really starting to feel it. That's 1 cup in, 2 cups here. I think we're gonna have to cut it with the mixer. We've got 2 in and it is getting thick, y'all. But it's still really soft and beautiful. Look at this. Another cup. Mixer's getting a little tired. I think oh, this is the rest of the 3rd cup. And I need half. You're supposed to let this chill in the fridge for at least an hour. There's definitely a reason for that because this is going to be a sticky mess. These cookies look good. I just don't see why a cookie needs cream cheese. We'll check it out. We'll add the rest of this half. Make a fat mess. There's flour, sugar, everything everywhere. Phew, getting an arm workout. Pretty good though. Scrape the bottom. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks like a sugar cookie dough now, just a little sticky. Beautiful. There you have it, y'all. Now that I'm a mess, we're gonna let this chill in the fridge for at least an hour. It's super soft. I try to flatten it out so we can get a nice hard dough to be able to scoop up and put in the oven. Catch you back in a bit. when she hardened up. We're doing some serious construction outside, but I've got the cookies all balled up. They were a mess. I tried a second time with the scoop. Bad call. Gave up. This is some cinnamon and sugar from a couple times. We're gonna add more cinnamon. Not even gonna measure. And a little sugar. Wow, that was a lot. I got these jars on Amazon. They suck. Do not buy them. I bought 2 packs of 3. I maybe have 3 left, and it just ruined all my salt. And I'm running low. I don't even know if y'all can hear me right now. It's so loud out there. Put this lid on, give her a shake. Beautiful. Let's check it out. It's very cinnamony, but I think it's good. Perfect amount. I got my cinnamon and sugar in there. We're just gonna roll almost all of these in it. I don't really want to put them in here, but I can rewash this, so I will. Give them 1 roll in the cinnamon sugar, put them back in. Back in the cinnamon sugar, ball it back. So sticky. Doesn't want to stick too good. It's okay. Just give all these a good coating. My husband likes these cookies because they're not so sweet. He actually said he thinks they're his favorite now. We'll see. Pretty good. A day after I baked them, I tried one and it was very cream cheesy without the cinnamon sugar on it, but they're delicious. Very soft. They fluff up a lot and they're just really soft and delicious. They've got a cute crackle on top. We'll see how these bake up. I think they're gonna be more chilled, which is really good. But new cookie recipes are always good. New recipes for anything. I need a really good chili recipe. I've made chili a few times and it's not great. Beans, yes. Meat, yes. Chunks, not really. Don't really want corn in it or tomatoes, not chunks. Acorns, kind of push it in here, press her in. I'm gonna finish rolling all these in. Alright y'all, I balled all these up. There's a little bit of cinnamon and sugar left and a ton everywhere. I'm gonna leave 4 plain. I know not too many. I'll just put these in a different bag. And I'm gonna put these in a bag to store in the freezer. Alright, I found a bag that had 1 Snickerdoodle cookie in it. No idea why. We're gonna put these in here, freeze them flat. When I need a cookie, pop one out. Or pop like 6 out for a batch. And I'll bake some up right now. We'll bake up 6, and I'll put this straggler in there too. I don't know, that's very strange. No, I'll put it in there. Now we have a huge bag. I'll freeze them and then hopefully they won't stick too bad. They shouldn't. Got my tray out here, set them on there. Try to put the bigger ones together. Perfect. And we'll bake those at about 350 for about 10-15 minutes. We'll check on them. And I'll put this, I don't want to waste this. These acorns just keep falling. I'm gonna put them in my jar. Save this for next time. All right, y'all, these are the 6 cookies I made. They're delicious. They've got the cute little cracks in them. I appreciate you guys for joining me in my kitchen today. These cookies are delicious. Go ahead and give them a try. If you enjoyed what we did here today, consider subscribing and following us along for more. I really appreciate you for joining me today. I hope you guys have a fabulous day and time, and I hope that you can look out for the little things and enjoy them. These little boogers are really cute, shiny, and I hope you guys get to spend time with those you love, doing the things you love and eating the things you love. I appreciate you guys, and the holidays are coming. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.